Richard Tillies, faculty member at Wake Tech Community College in Raleigh, North Carolina.
And I'm Jim Matlock. I'm also a faculty member at Wake Tech, Raleigh, North Carolina. We both teach beginning Python, and Richard also teaches C++
C++
and
and
Java
Java.
as
Yep.
well.
So it's really just kind of introducing new students to the program, introducing new students to PyCharm, the IDE that we use, and just really getting them ready for that next step in their Python journey.
When I first started teaching beginning Python, this was about 4 years ago, and we started off right away with PyCharm. I wanted to start with PyCharm because professional developers use PyCharm, and I had a familiarity with it because I'd come from industry, and I felt like it was a good choice for students because, especially at a two-year institution like Wake Tech, we're trying to help students get prepared for the workplace. Now, over the years, I have seen it get better at being easy to set up. I think 4 years ago, might have been a little bit here and there. We made, but then I saw definitely improvements. And over the last 2 or 3 years, I haven't seen a lot of concern. Like most students are able to deal with it, are able to do the installation.
Yeah, I agree with that. And I've used IntelliJ in the past, so I know, just kind of the ease of use of what JetBrains, the IDEs that JetBrains produces. And so it's kind of a natural thing to kind of make sure that students also understood, how to install PyCharm. And it's relatively easier because it's designed for Python as opposed to other IDEs that you have to really configure for the language you need. So PyCharm kind of comes ready out the box and just kind of, make sure the setup is correct and you're ready to go.
The last year, especially, what I really like about configuring PyCharm now is how, if a student, we give them instructions on how to download Python from python.org, but if they don't do it, PyCharm still prompts them to go ahead and bring that down. So if they've forgotten it, it's still okay for them to go ahead
Yeah.
and move ahead. So the level of tools that PyCharm brings will just prepare them more and more for the workplace too, which is really important, especially, again, two-year institution. We want to make sure that they get those workplace habits, those workplace skills in place as much as possible.
Yeah.